Good morning, everyone. This is Crypto Buyer, episode 6, coming to you today to discuss a little bit about what's going on in the cryptocurrency land. Um, Start off every video by saying this is not sound financial advice. This is me documenting my journey through cryptocurrency and hopefully helping you. Expand your knowledge base and maybe come across something new or kind of ping your brain to start thinking in a different way when it comes to looking at cryptocurrencies and what you are putting your money into. But do not take my advice and throw all your money one place. I am not a financial advisor or an investment advisor, so please do your due diligence, do your own research, and let's grow this cryptocurrency market together. So last week when I started this channel, the market cap was down in the 132s. We were kind of down. Bitcoin was down almost $1,000 from this point. When you're looking at how things rise, obviously when more money comes into the market, things begin to rise. There was a pretty good rise at the end of last week, going into the weekend. Bitcoin's making a run back up. I mean, to be honest with you guys, if we're in this range, as long as we can hold tight in this range and not get under the 4,000 mark, I think we're running to 5,000, especially going through this month of October, heading into Segwit 2X, which I'll make another video on what that means and the fork that could possibly coming from that. So I think Bitcoin's heading to $5,000. Ethereum sitting nice. You guys know my stance on Ripple. Not too big on it, even though it sits at number 3, number 4 every week. Right here, guys. Okay, you go back in a video. Said I thought Neo would get to $40 by December. Might have to reevaluate that. I think it's going to hit 50 by December because it's just cruising right now after the China scare went away and the regulations and all kinds of stuff like that. Neo's got massive, massive potential. So if you don't have a little hold in Neo right now, you might want to get some. Again, do your research, invest what you think is a good, solid, sound investment. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. But Neo is here to stay. And, kind of kicking myself in the foot for not buying more when it was down in the $17 range, under $20. I believe in Neo. I believe it's a fantastic project. They got a lot of good things coming out. So just kind of have to wear that one on the chin and buy at this price. Because I don't see it going back under $30 unless there's massive news that nobody knows about right now coming out. So take a look at Neo. It's not a great price to get in, but if it continues to go up, it's a pretty solid price. OMG, it's just been hanging in the $8.50 to $10 range for way too long for it not to break out. You guys know how I feel about OMG. I have a pretty good hold in OMG. I think it's going to go this month, heading into November. I think we're going to see OMG between 15 and $25. That's my go on that. Okay, so I guess we can go back and reevaluate the 1st of November, but I'm saying $15 to $25 range, which is pretty broad. Gives me a lot of room for error, but I can see that. So that's where I'm at OMG. Stratus is kind of pulling up. Still a pretty good point to get into Stratus if you're big on businesses development on the blockchain. ARC is actually a really good price. I was watching ARC when it was down at like 89 cents, and over the past month and a half it's just cruising. It got up to an all-time high, which was above $3, and now it's kind of consolidating. But the things that I read about ARC is it's heading to $100 coin. So maybe not in the next 3 to 6 months, but within the next 12 to 24 months, you're at $100 coin. So, if you have some money for long-term type hold like that, 12 to 24 months, not a bad project to get in. Here's something that kind of threw me off when I was looking at CoinMarketCap this morning was gas, which is run off the Neo network, is at $31. And what you guys need to understand is that if you do buy Neo, the Neo wallet, if you hold Neo on your wallet, you earn gas. So if you have, honestly, you're going to need to have, you can have one Neo and you're going to earn a bit of gas. But if you have 10 to 100 Neo, you're going to earn a substantial amount of gas, which basically, if you're looking at making money, you're making free money just based on how much Neo you have. Now, I'm not sure. I'll have to dive into it and get back to you guys on it, but I'm not sure how you transfer gas out of your wallet. I'm not sure if that's an option right now, but gas is being traded on a few platforms. I think it's definitely on Binance, and it might be on Ether Delta. So, something to check out. I know I said I was going to get off coins, but coins are doing such good things heading into October that I wanted to make sure to touch base with you guys on it and kind of give you my thoughts. Litecoin's still in a good spot. Okay, I can see that going to triple digits so soon. All good things to check out. So that's really it for today. As I dive in, these ICOs are starting up, guys. I have a pretty good list. I have a list of about 8 ICOs that I'm really looking at heavy, and I'm going to start breaking this down this week for you guys. It might be something you guys want to get into. I might actually even be doing a breakdown of this coin right here that's throwing a little advertising money at CoinMarketCap, which I think is smart, and that starts here tomorrow. So again, guys, if you feel like I'm bringing you the least bit of value, please click that subscribe button, hit the like button, and if you have any kind of comments, whether it be you want to have me look at an ICO or you want me to look at a coin, I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. Just leave it in the comments below. As always, I appreciate your ears. This is Crypto Buyer. Until next time, happy trading.